And now, let's take a look at our purposely designed living spaces, ang ating mga available units. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa actual unit ng Sale Residences. So, nandito tayo sa balcony, nakatayo tayo sa residential view. So, itong residential view, ito yung pinakamura, cheaper ng Sale Residences. Okay, pasok tayo. Nandito tayo sa balcony. So, pasok tayo sa bedroom. So, malaki yung cut niya. This is 32.75 square meter. So, yung living room niya, oh, ang laki. Maluwag to. So, yung kitchen niya, malaki din, no? Kitchen niya. This is actual unit. So, nandito po kami. So, nandito po kami mismo sa loob ng Sale Residences. So, ito yung pinto niya. So, the good thing is, yung ating pinaka-smallest unit is 32 square meter. Naghahanap po ng malalaking condo units, this is perfect for you. The good thing about pre-selling condos is lower purchase price, flexible payment terms. Message nyo lang po ako, especially daw na pre-selling pa lang po itong ating Sale Residences para maka-avail kayo ng discounts and promos po natin. Napakaganda po ng promo natin ngayon. Wow. Maganda na yung promo with additional discounts. Pre-selling discounts pa po yan. Don't miss out this opportunity. Sale Residences by SMDC. Let me know if you have more questions about any SMDC projects. I'm here to help. Let's chat and get all the answers you need. Just message me on my number for WhatsApp and Viber po yan. It's 0910-039-8580. Thank you for watching my video. This is Bless De Los Santos, International Sales, SMDC. And this is Sale Residences Construction Update 2025.